In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change object color in Canva. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva and that you can see the object you want to recolor on your canvas. This can be a shape, an icon, a graphic element, or even text that uses a solid fill. The key is to start by selecting the object. Click directly on it so you see the bounding box and the handles around the edges. If an element is part of a group, click until just the piece you want is highlighted. That confirms Canva knows exactly which object you intend to change. Once the object is selected, look toward the top toolbar for the color indicator. It appears as a small color tile showing the object's current color. Click that tile. This opens Canva's color panel, which slides out to show your available options. If you don't see a color tile for the element, that usually means the object's color isn't editable, such as with certain photos or complex images. In that case, try selecting a different layer, or choose an element designed for color changes, like a shape or a vector icon. With the color panel open, pick the new color you want. You'll see ready-made swatches, including the design's document colors and any recent hues you've used. If you're working with brand guidelines, you might also see saved brand colors. For precise control, you can enter a hex code so your object matches an exact color value. Some versions also offer an eyedropper tool to sample a color from elsewhere on your screen. As soon as you choose a color, the change applies instantly to the selected object, so you can preview the result in real time. If the object has multiple color regions, you'll notice more than one color tile in the toolbar. Click each tile to adjust that specific part of the element. This is helpful for multicolored icons where you may want to tweak one accent while leaving the rest unchanged. Take a moment to compare options and check contrast, especially for text or small graphics, to ensure readability and visual balance. If you don't love the result, use Undo to step back and try a different shade. That's all there is to it. Select the object, open its current color, and choose your new color. With these quick adjustments, you can keep your designs consistent, on brand, and visually engaging in just a few clicks.